Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. It's important to note that CMake itself doesn't set the Python version directly, rather, it's the responsibility of the build system or the CMakeLists.txt file to define which version of Python should be used. However, if you have a project that relies on Python 2.7.2 and you want to ensure that this version is used during the build process, you can set the Python executable in your CMake configuration. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to set Python version 2.7.2 in CMake. Make sure you have Python 2.7.2 installed on your system. If not, download and install it from the official Python website or use a package manager like apt for Debian-based systems, or brew for Mac OS. Open your project's CMakeLists.txt file. This file is used by CMake to configure the build process. Locate the section of your CMakeLists.txt file where Python is configured. This might involve finding a find_package, Python, command or similar. If it doesn't exist, you may need to add it. This tells CMake to find Python 2.7.2 and make it required for the project. Set the Python interpreter to the one you installed. This is the path to the Python executable. Replace /path/to/python 2.7.2 with the actual path to your Python 2.7.2 executable. Now that you've configured CMake to use Python 2.7.2, you can use it in your project. For example, you can enable Python bindings or configure scripts that depend on Python. After making these changes, regenerate your build files using CMake. This is typically done using the following commands in your terminal. Once the build files are generated, build your project. That's it. You've successfully configured CMake to use Python 2.7.2 in your project. Keep in mind that maintaining compatibility with Python 2.7.2 might be challenging, as Python 2 has reached its end of life. If possible, consider upgrading your code to be compatible with Python 3. ChatGPT.